In last video, we have seen various type of numbers like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, etc. And in today's video, we are going to find out rational numbers between two rational numbers. And we know that a rational number, the number is called as rational number if it can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. We have seen examples also. 2 by 3 is a rational number, 1 by 3 is a rational number, minus 25 is also a rational number because it can be written as minus 25 divided by 1. Now you are familiar with the number line. So 0 lies in the middle of the number line. Positive numbers lies right of the number, right of the 0. So 1, 2, 3 lies right of the 0. Negative numbers lies to the left of the 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Now, can you find out a natural number between two natural numbers? For example, 1 is a natural number, 2 is a natural number. Can you find out any other natural number between 1 and 2? There is no natural number between 1 and 2, isn't it? Same way, can you find out an integer between this minus 1 and minus 2? Can you find out any other integer is there? There is no integer that lies between minus 1 and minus 2. Now, my question is whether there is a rational number. You know 1 is a rational number because 1 can be written as 1 by 1. 2 is also a rational number. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. So, is there any rational number that lies between 1 and 2? Now between 1 and 2, in the number line, 1, 1 and a half lies. Now 1, 1 by 2 means this is an mixed fraction. You can convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is a rational number. So 3 by 2 is a rational number that lies between two rational numbers 1 and 2. Again, I can find out one more rational number between this 1 and 1 and a half. Which is that rational number? I can write 1, 1 by 4. 1, 1 by 4 means it is also an mixed fraction. You can convert into improper fraction, 5 by 4. So that is another rational number. So between any two rational numbers, there are many rational numbers. We can find out many rational numbers, or we can say that there are infinitely many rational numbers are there between two rational numbers. But between two natural numbers, you cannot find out any natural number. Between two whole numbers, you cannot find out any whole number. Between two consecutive integers, you cannot find out any integers. But between two consecutive numbers, you can find out infinitely many rational numbers. Now the first question is, find a rational number between 2 and 3. So how will you find a rational number between 2 and 3? So we can find out the answer very easily. Take those two rational numbers, 2 plus 3 divide by 2. 5 by 2 is a rational number. If you want to find one more rational number between 2 and 3, you can take 2 plus 5 by 2 divide by 2. So which is equal to 4 plus 5 by 2 divided by 2. So 9 by 4 is the another rational number. So in the same way, you can take the numbers and divide by 2. Add and divide by 2. So 2 and 3. So in between 5 by 2 will come. 5 by 2 means 2 and a half. And if you want to find out one more rational number, take 2 and 5 by 2, add and divide by 2. So 9 by 4, that is 2 1 by 4 will come between this. The same way, if you want to find out one more rational number, 5 by 2 plus 3 divided by 2. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. You can do 3 plus 4 divided by 2. Again that answer plus 3 divided by 2. That method you can do, or there is an easy method. Here the numbers they have given are 3 and 4. You take the bigger number as y and the smaller number as x. So there is a formula to find out the rational number. We will take d equal to y minus x divided by n plus 1. Here n is equal to 6 because they have told 6 rational numbers. If they ask you to find out 5 rational number, you can take the value of n as 5. If they ask you to find out 4 rational number, you can take the value of n as 4. So always take the bigger number as y, smaller number as x, and the formula is y minus x divided by n plus 1. Now we need to find out 6 rational number. So you can say that the 6 rational numbers are x plus d, that is one rational number. Second rational number is x plus 2d. Third one is x plus 3d, x plus 4d, x plus 5d, and x plus 6d. Now let us first find out what is this d. So d is equal to y minus x. Here y is 4, x is 3, divided by n plus 1, that is 6 plus 1. So it is 1 by 7. So our rational numbers are x plus d, that is 3 plus 1 by 7. First rational number. Second one is 3 plus 2 by 7. Third rational number is 3 plus 3 by 7. 3 plus 4 by 7. 3 plus 5 by 7. And 3 plus 6 by 7. So these are our 6 rational numbers. Now you can simplify this 3 1 by 7, or we can write 3 1 by 7, or you can make it into improper fraction 22 by 7. Same way, this is 3 2 by 7, or we can write as 23 by 7, and this will be 3 3 by 7, so it will be 24 by 7. So in the same way, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, 27 by 7. So in this method, you can find out any rational number, 100 rational number or 1000 rational number. By using this formula, you can easily find out any rational number between two numbers. So the formula is y minus x divided by n plus 1, and you have to add with the smallest number x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d, x plus 4d, x plus 5d, x plus 6d. So the rational numbers between 3 and 4 are 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, and 27 by 7. Now the third question is find 4 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So we can use that formula d equal to y minus x divided by n plus 1. So y is biggest fraction, that is 4 by 5, x is 3 by 5, and n is 4. Or there is an easy way, since the denominator of both the fractions are same, there is an easy way to find the rational numbers. You multiply the numerator and denominator with 10. For both the fractions, multiply numerator and denominator with 10. So I got now 30 by 50 and 40 by 50. Now 30 by 50 is same as 3 by 5. Yesterday we have seen that 3 by 5 is the simplified form of the rational number 30 by 50. Now can you say sum of the rational numbers between 30 by 50 and 40 by 50? So I can easily write as 31 by 50, 32 by 50, 33 by 50, or 36 by 50. So these are the rational numbers between 30 by 50 and 40 by 50. Even you can use this formula, you will get the answer. Now the fourth question is find 6 rational numbers between 0 and 0.1. Is 0.1 a rational number? 0.1 is definitely a rational number because 0.1 I can write as 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is in the form of p by q, and q is not equal to 0. So we can use the formula d equal to y minus x divided by n plus 1, and n is 6, y is the bigger number 0.1, and x is 0. Let us find out now d equal to 0.1 minus 0 divided by 6 plus 1. So which is equal to 0.1 minus 0 is 0.1 divided by 7. So the required rational numbers are x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d, then x plus 4d, x plus 5d, x plus 6d, and x plus 7d. So we can write now x is 0, 0 plus d is 0.1 by 7. Again 0 plus 2d means 2 into 0.1 by 7. So when you simplify this, you will get 0 plus 0.1 by 7 is 0.1 by 7. Again this I can write as 0.2 by 7, 0.3 by 7, 4 into 0.1 is 0.4 by 7, 0.5 by 7, 0.6 by 7, 0.7 by 7. So like this also you can write. If you want, even you can remove the decimal point. So multiply the numerator and denominator with 10. I will be having 1 by 70, 2 by 70, 3 by 70, etc. So these are the rational numbers between 0 and 0.1. So thank you for watching the video.